and their beliefs and their traditions. As diverse as the cultures are, some feel that they are marginalized and disempowered. Let's hear this story reported by our producer, Hlela Mqoqo.
South Africa has got 11 official languages, but there are other ethnic groups who feel that their languages are being marginalized. We visited KwaMhlanga in Mpumalanga, where we spoke to isiNdebele activist Thando Mahlangu, who says their language is not taken seriously in the country.
The reason for that is mainly because we don't have a platform as Amandebele to protect or to raise the issues that we have regarding everything that's happening in Amandebele, regarding having Amandebele on TV, regarding our music playing on radio stations, because Simandebele, we are not given that particular platform, but the only thing that we need is for everyone to give us the platform so that we can unleash the talent that we have, because we have talent, we are talented, we have artists that are qualifying just like other artists or other nations, but Tina Chaba Samandebele, we are not given that particular platform, so we're asking for the ground to be level.
Mahlangu feels that their language is dying a slow death because even children are not being taught isiNdebele in schools anymore.
We have Amandebele David